Dear student, today we will discuss about the differentiation of implicit function. Previous all classes we will discuss about if y is equal to function of x, then we can find the derivative dy by dx using the algebra of derivative, and using the formula we find the dy by dx. Then this type of function, if y is equal to function of x, this type of function is known as explicit function. That means all the function of x is one side and independent variable is one side and dependent variable is one side. It is known as your explicit function. Now we will discuss about the implicit function. Implicit function means if the function of x, y is equal to 0 for, if both function of x, y is equal to 0, that means if simple y is not expressed in terms of only function of x for, then it is known as your implicit function. Then it is known as implicit function. Implicit function. Suppose if you say y is equal to 5x plus 9, then here y is equal to 5x plus 9, that is y in term of function of x. So this one is known as your explicit function. To find dy by dx, we have to find the dy by dx is equal to the derivative of 5x plus 9, which is equal to 5. Directly you can solve it. But if I say if x square y plus y square is equal to 3, now this equation cannot be expressed in terms of only function of y. If y is taken common here, it is x square plus y is equal to 3. So here y is equal to 3 by a square plus y. So in this problem, direct we cannot solve y is a only function of x. So this type of function is known as your implicit function. Then if this type of function comes here, then to find its derivative, then if implicit function of is given, a function of xy is equal to 0 is given, in this case we have to differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Then first you differentiate both sides, and dy by dx terms are taken in one side. Then dy by dx terms are taken one side and other terms are taken another side. And its coefficient, now the coefficient of dy by dx is divided with other sides. So then you will get your required dy by dx. Then this one is the method for the solving the implicit function. First you differentiate both sides and dy by dx are taken in one side and its coefficient is divided in other side. Then you will get your required dy by dx. Then before solving this one, first we have to find, here using the chain rule, already you know what is the derivative of x square. A square derivative is 2x. But if I solve what is the derivative of y square, what is the derivative of y square? Then y square means here the dependent variable is y here. So y square means what is the derivative? U is taken as y. So its derivative is 2y into dy by dx. Here you have to apply chain. But here then 2x into derivative of x, x derivative is 1. So there is no need to write this one. We only write 2x. Similarly, if you solve what is the derivative of sin x into y, what is the derivative? Then you have to apply the chain rule. What is the derivative of sin xy? Which one is u here? Xy is taken as u. The sin u derivative is sin xy into derivative of xy. Again, to find the derivative of xy, you have to apply the product rule here. Then that means sin xy into What is the derivative of xy? Apply the product rule. X into y the derivative. Y derivative is dy by dx plus y into derivative of x, and x derivative is 1. So this one is the derivative of sin xy. If you have to find the derivative of log xy, what is the derivative of log xy? Here you have to apply chain rule. Then xy is taken as u. Then u means what is the derivative of xy? Then that is log u. Log u derivative is 1 by xy into derivative of xy, which is equal to 1 by xy, and derivative of xy you have to apply the product rule. Like the product rule, you can find that x into derivative y is dy by dx plus y into derivative x is y. Then similarly, we can find the derivative in term of a function of y. So if the function of y comes, first you have to find is apply the chain rule, find the derivative, and you have to take the derivative of that function. Now we have to solve the question number 4 of exercise 7G. Exercise 7G. The question number 4 is given by find dy by dx. Find dy by dx if y square cot x is equal to x square cot y. X square cot y. Then here in this, first you want to see here in this equation, is it implicit or explicit? Clearly it is a implicit function, because here function cot y and it is a term of y square. We cannot express y in term of x. So this type of function is known as your implicit function. Then to find its dy by dx, then in this case first we have to differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Now it is the d by dx of y square cot x is equal to d by dx of x square cot y. Then what is the derivative of y square into cot x? Now you have to apply the product rule. Then product rule means y square into d by dx of cot x plus cot x into d by dx of y square. Here also you have to apply product rule. X square into d by dx of cot y plus cot y into d by dx of x square. Then that implies, now we have to find the derivative of cot x. What is the derivative of cot x? Already you know, minus cos square x plus cot x into y square derivative. What is the derivative of y square? That is, you have to apply chain rule. Y square derivative means 2y into derivative of y. 2y into dy dx. Here you have to write cot x derivative minus cos square x into derivative of x, which is 1. So there is no need to write it here. Then 2y dy dx is equal to, here also x square cot y. Cot y means here also you have to apply chain rule. Cot y derivative is minus cos square y into derivative of y into dy by dx plus cot y into s square derivative is 2x. So first step you have to take the derivative on both sides. Then the dy by dx term are taken in one side and the rest term are another side. See here in this case here, then 2y cot x into dy by dx, and here is a term of dy dx minus s square cos square y. This term is taken to the left hand side, so it is x square cos square y into dy by dx, and this term are taken other side, then it is 2x cot y minus is given taken right hand side plus y square cos square x. Now dy by dx is taken common here, then its value is 2y cot x plus x square cos square y is equal to 2x cot y plus y square cos square x. Then that implies what is dy by dx? Then this coefficient is divided on the right hand side. Then 2x cot y plus y square cos square y divided by 2y cot x plus x square cos square y, which is your required dy by dx. So you can solve all the problem of exercise 7G, that is the derivative of implicit function. Thank you.